Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, let's see ang energy ng inyong love life ngayong September 2026. This is a general reading. Pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So, mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay, so let's see Scorpio. Ang mga intense na Scorpio. Tignan natin love life nyo. Okay. Love endures. Love does not give up or lose faith. Love is hopeful and withstands every situation. Oh, meron kayong titiisin. May ipaglalaban kayo na relationship. Kasi para sa inyo, kapag mahal nyo, paglalaban nyo. Hindi kayo susuko. At kung talagang mahal kayo, hindi kayo susukuan. Oh, diba? Kaloka. Be aware of love's illusion. See reality clearly. Oy, may pa-reality check sa inyo, Scorpio. Is this relationship still practical? Realistic ba to sa'yo? Or parang feeling mo, nasa delusions na or illusions na lang siya. Keep the sparks flying. Surprise each other with gestures of love. Importante rin kasi sa relationship na yung paminsan-minsan may adventure. Yung bang something is exciting. Sometimes kasi may mga mundane things lang, no? Mga random na nangyayari, but it's better na you make some effort in your relationship and kumbaga to keep the fire burning. Para magtuloy-tuloy ang relationship na yan. Pero syempre, wala naman tayong mapipilit kung ayaw na, di ba? Tignan natin yung in a relationship na Scorpio. What's the energy? The World. Oh, wow. I think you are, if you are in a relationship right now, pwedeng nandun ka sa point na nire-reassess mo yung relationship mo, yung situation mo, if this is it. Kung siya na ba talaga. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo long distance relationship. You have Temperance o meron ditong nagtsatsaga or may naghihintay. You have the Two of Cups. Okay. So if you are in a relationship, I think worth it naman tong connection ninyo. For as long as you are both on the same page. Kumbaga pareho kayo ng direksyon na gusto nyong tahakin dito sa relationship ninyo. You have to be more patient with each other because sometimes na merong mga gusto tayo, no, na hindi gusto ng partner natin. Magkasalungat, 'di ba? So you have to meet sa gitna para compromise, no? You have to compromise with each other kung ano yung goals ninyo. Kasi this can be a successful relationship moving forward. Lalo na kung matagal na kayo. Halimbawa, may mga plano kayo for, to settle down. Pero, for some reasons, lagi na-delay. Kung kayo talaga, doesn't matter kung ma-delay yan o hindi. Kasi ang importante, yung samahan nyo. So, needs more patience in your relationship. Sa mga single, tignan natin. Mga single dyan. The Star. Oh, okay. You are, yung iba sa inyo, mataas ang standard. Pagdating sa relationship. Maaring meron kang certain na gusto sa isang person na maging romantic connection mo. Na kung hindi ganon, edi wag na. Kaya lang, hindi mo naman mauutusan ng puso. Wow. You have the Six of Wands. I think, merong nagkakaroon ng interest. It's either ikaw, merong kang nagugustuhang person, or the other person has interest in you. Ay, nako, may pa Three of Swords dito. I think kasi pagdating sa relationship, no? Lalo na kung hindi pa naman. Minsan nag-expect tayo ng too much sa isang tao instead of kikilalanin natin sila, 'di ba? Oo. So, kung minamadali, ano siya, pwedeng hindi magpatuloy kasi nga minadali, 'di ba? Kumbaga, if you really want to enter in a relationship na mas merong malalim na foundation, you have to get to know the person first, no? Before ka mag-commit, kung seryoso ka, no? Kasi pwede magkaroon ng disappointments. And at the same time, no, you also have to check kung available ba tong person na to. Kasi yung iba nabubudol. Oo, nabubudol ng mga unavailable. So, be careful. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.